Hello student, in previous lecture we had studied the how will you write the IUPAC name to the hydrocarbon compound, as well as we had studied the some chemical properties of a hydrocarbon compound. The first property is the combustion and second property is the oxidation. Today I will teach to you the third property is the substitution reaction. You know that in the hydrocarbon compound in 10th class, the hydrocarbon compound is mainly classified into two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Again, you know the definitions of the saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbon compound which contain the carbon single covalent bond. Single covalent bond are called saturated, and the hydrocarbon compound which contain the carbon double or triple bond, such compounds are called as the unsaturated. You remember one important point: the saturated compound is less reactive chemically, but unsaturated compounds are highly reactive. It is a less reactive, is it not? Why? Because it contains the single bond, and it is the highly reactive because they contain the multiple bond, is it not? In Latin language, the less reactive compounds are called paraffins. Therefore, all saturated compounds are called paraffins. Para means less and affins. Affins means reactivity. It means that the hydrocarbon compound which are less in reactive are called paraffins. You remember, all saturated compounds are called paraffins because all saturated hydrocarbon compound contain the single covalent bond. Again, you remember, all saturated hydrocarbon compounds, also known as saturated hydrocarbon compound, also known as alkane, and the alkane is also known as paraffins. Question may be asked in the examination: give the scientific reason all saturated compounds or alkanes are called paraffins. Why? How read the answers? All saturated hydrocarbon compound or alkane contain the single covalent bond. Due to single covalent bond and highly strong bond. Single covalent bond is a strong bond. Due to the more strength and single covalent bond, such type of hydrocarbon compound is saturated hydrocarbon compounds is less reactive. In Latin language, less reactive compounds are called paraffins. Hence, the saturated compounds or alkanes are called as the paraffins. Today's I will teach to you the substitution reactions. You remember, only saturated compound or alkane undergoes the substitution reaction, but unsaturated compound do not undergoes the substitution reaction. Remember, very important point. Which compound undergoes substitution reactions? Only alkane or saturated compound. Why? Due to presence of single strong covalent bond. Why the unsaturated not undergoes the substitution reaction? Due to presence of multiple and weak bonds. You understand? The examples of substitution reaction is when the first example of saturated compound is the methane. When methane is treated with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight or sunlight. Do you know that sunlight contains the ultraviolet rays? In presence of sunlight, the hydrogen atom of the methane is replaced by the chlorine atom, and to form a CH3Cl plus HCl, to form a methyl chloride in the first step. This reaction or chlorination of methane takes place continuously. Why? Because in this reaction, chlorine is replaced by the hydrogen. The methane contains the 4 hydrogen. Therefore, chlorine continuously replaces the all 4 hydrogen atom. Therefore, in first step, it gives the methyl chloride. This methyl chloride further undergoes this chlorination or react with chlorine and to form again new compound in presence of sunlight to form a CH2Cl2 plus HCl. This compound contains how many chlorine atom? 2 chlorine atom. Therefore, the name of compound is the methylene dichloride. Why are called it di? Because it contains the 2 chlorine atom. If it contains 3, tri. If 4 chlorine atom, tetra. Similarly, again this methylene dichloride further undergoes the or react with third molecules of chlorine and we get the new compound is the CHCl3 plus HCl. CHCl3 means chloroform. The chloroform further react with chlorine. Why? Because they contain the 1 hydrogen atom in 4th step. Chloroform further react with the 4th molecule of chlorine in presence of sunlight and to form a CCl4 plus hydrochloric acid. The name of compound is C means carbon. Carbon contains how many chlorine atom? 4. Therefore, carbon tetrachloride. Is it that carbon tetrachloride further react with chlorine? No. Why? Because they do not contain the hydrogen atom. You remember one important points. These saturated compound not react with strong reagent like sulfuric acid, KMnO4 at room temperature. This saturated compound is only react with halogen like chlorine, bromine, iodine at room temperature in presence of sunlight. Therefore, this reaction is called as the substitution reaction. It is also called as the chlorination of methane. What is the chlorination of methane? When hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by chlorine, the reaction is called as the chlorination of reaction. Chlorination is an example of substitution reaction. How do you define the substitution reaction on this example? What happens in this reaction actually? The hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon compound replaced by the chlorine atom. Is it not? Therefore, how do you define? The reaction in which atom or group, for you see here, in first step, what happens? CH4 means CH3 bond H, is it not? This H and chlorine means Cl bond Cl. In presence of sunlight, what happens? This hydrogen atom of the methane, this is the methane. The hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by chlorine atom and to form a CH3Cl and HCl. Such type of reaction takes place continuously. What happens? Hydrogen atom replaced by the chlorine. Replacement of atom is takes place. Therefore, how do you define substitution reaction? The reaction in which one atom or group is replaced by another atom or group to form a new compound are called substitution reaction. Chlorination of methane is the best examples of substitution reactions. Question may be asked in the examination on this point. Define substitution reaction with suitable example. Write a short notes on chlorination of methane or give scientific reason why the saturated hydrocarbon compounds or alkanes are called paraffins. Or sometimes such type of question may be asked, what is the action of chlorine on methane? Then write these all 4 reactions. I understand. Thank you.